f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 4 or divided by 2. Find the value of x for which the inverse f of minus 1 of x is equal to g to the minus 1 of x. So, finding the inverse, so first of all what you do is you take this one and you let y be equal to 2x plus 3, and you now make x the subject. So taking 3 from both sides, we get y minus 3 is equal to 2x. And then dividing both sides by 2, we're going to get that x is y minus 3 over 2. Now we interchange the x and y's and write the x becomes f dashed of x, f of minus 1 of x, which means the inverse function. And you change that y there to an x, so it becomes x minus 3 over 2. For the other function, which is y is x minus 4 over 2, multiply both sides by 2, so you get 2y is equal to x minus 4. We're trying to make x the subject again. And then we get 2y plus 4 is equal to x. Interchange the x and y's, so the x will become g to the minus 1 of x. This will represent the function, but we change the y to function. So we get 2x plus 4. Right, we now have to find the value of x such that f of minus 1 of x is equal to g to the minus 1 of x. So we put x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 4, and then solve the resulting equation. So x minus 3 over 2 is equal to 2x plus 4. First step would be to multiply both sides by 2, so we get x minus 3, 2 brackets, 2x plus 4. Expanding the bracket here, we're going to get 4x plus 8. If we take x from both sides, we're going to get minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 8. And then take 8 from both sides, we're going to get 3x is equal to minus 11. And therefore x will be minus 11 over 3 when we divide both sides by 3 here. So this has been a video to show you how to find the inverse of two functions and then solve the equation where both inverse functions are equal to each other. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.